Yeah, because like if an event is supposed to logically follow from a previous event, then that would be that'd be nice. Yeah. Um. Hmm. Yeah. How do I want to set that up? I guess maybe I'll just keep track of the. I could. Hmm. Yeah, I could just keep that in a separate list, I guess. So like, how would I annotate that though? I mean, I could just put that in the data file somewhere. Just any arbitrary place in the data file, I suppose. And then so the ones that are marked as like non-starters would just not get added to the list of. Yeah, okay. That I think that sounds good. So let's I think I'll set that up now. So I think I'll put it with event type because why not? So I don't want to change. I can't change like, or I should. It'd be annoying at this point to change the lines of the. I don't want to like add new lines into the script into these events because then I'd have to go back and edit all the old ones, and I just don't feel like doing that. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna do what? Yeah. So where's the part where we load in our events? I'm gonna say yeah. So name right now equals. Yeah, right. Okay, so no, event type. Yeah, type equals line 0. Instead, I'm gonna say like types equals lines index 0 dot split on the space character. And then so yeah, so now it'll be types index 0. So yeah, so event names dot type equals int types index 0, and then if the length of types is if the length of types is less than if the length of types equals 1, then so we'll keep track of like events starter equals a list, and then yeah, so if it's a starter, then we'll say events starter dot append name. And then, yeah. All right, so now there's places where I was using like events.keys or whatever. I'll use event starter instead. So events dot keys. Yeah, so yeah. Once again, replacing this. Oops, whoa. I don't know what just happened. It's supposed to be events starter. Oops, why did that get capitalized? Lazy shift key, I suppose. Alright, so for all of these, for all of these, alright, cool. I mean, I don't really have to be keeping track of curve I anymore. Wait, what? Whoa, wait, what is this? Type not equals 1? What am I doing? What is this? If event starter curve I dot type not equal. What's the. Huh. Oh, no, I remember what that was about. Wow, that's been in there for a long time and is super not important. Yeah, I can also get rid of cur of I because I can just abbreviate this entire phrase to just yeah. Back when I added in event type 1, I added in a new event type 1. I put that in just so that it would come up more often so that I could test it more often. That was not supposed to be a thing for so long. Uh, uh, Protospasm, you're so good at this. So good at this. Um, oh, yeah. Okay, never mind. So, what, all right. Oops. Don't mind me just falling over while standing still. Um, was I using cur of I anywhere else? No, I wasn't. Okay. And then did I? No. Okay. So, but there were other places that I was using. There were other places that I was using event dot keys, which I don't want to be using anymore, right? Because it's now now it's oops, not that. It's events starter, yeah. Event starter minus 2. Oh yeah, yeah, sure. So if event starter index next of I equals cur of name. Wait, greater than or equal to? Oh yeah. Wait, no. Oh yeah, I remember how that used to work. Nah, this time I'm just gonna take a random die roll, and if I get the same one twice in a row, then that's like, I mean that what that really means is that we got it 3 times in a row, and that's fate. That's fate right there. Uh, so I don't have to do -2. I can do -1. Uh, yeah, that's fine. Uh, or actually, no. I should instead. I should just say while event starter next to I cur of name. It'll just re-roll until it gets one that's not identical, or it'll just hang. But right, this is like we've. Oh no, this isn't a good time to crash. I mean, there's never a good time to crash. I just. Yeah, I forgot. I changed the data processing so like there's never really a good time to crash. um, I mean, I don't. If this is gonna crash, whatever. I don't. I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna stress over that because I sometimes while loops are jerks, and I don't like it when while loops are jerks. But I can't always control whether while loops are gonna be jerks or not. And all right, next of sorry, I don't know where I was going with that. So yeah, next of name equals events. Oops, events starter index next of I. No, yeah, one time I put together a while loop that was supposed to be really fine and great and everything, and then it just turned into an infinite loop, and there was like there was no way that it made sense at all, and so now I just don't trust while loops. I just whenever I put one in, I'm like, this is gonna crash. This is just gonna hang, regardless of whether it should. It's going to. It's obviously going to. So whatever. I might find out someday that it does, but I don't care. So now if I want an event not to be a starter, like if I want an event to never get chosen randomly, I can go. Oops, not there. Oh, did I? I never checked. Hey, look at that. The this thing worked. Look at that. Oh, it included the the line break thing, which is a little cute. I might want to change it just so it doesn't do that, because there's no reason for it to do that. And I think I'm done with I think I'm done. Like with the whole, I think the next dev name thing is all set up now, and it now works correctly, hypothetically. Yeah, because the cur equals events next dev name. Yeah, sure. Why not? Okay, and then so yeah, right. So just a little thing is I'm setting a I'm setting cur intro to be uh cur where is it? Cur intro string. Oh yeah. Ah. Yeah, no, this is easy enough. Where am I setting it? So I swear I'm setting it somewhere. Oh, I'm putting yeah right here. So right, cur right. I'm using ev text, but I should instead use intro string indexed from the fifth character to the end, because it starts the intro string starts with hark exclamation point, and if I start at the fifth character, no, the fifth character is a space character, so it actually be the sixth character because it's hark space. Yeah, right. Save that. Um, that way it'll that way when it saves out this data, it'll have gotten rid of these vertical bar characters. The vertical bars just represent how the tweets get split up. Excuse me, how the tweets get split up. So, for example, if we look up here, if it would scroll correctly, or just not be frozen, please, not be frozen. All right, it's frozen. Whatever. If we looked at it and it wasn't frozen, it would we would see that this is the place where the where it broke off between two separate whatevers. Okay, good and cool. This was event type 3. Yes, that's accurate. It was not multi. Good, excellent, fantastico. Uh, so oh, excuse me. Oh, sorry. Wow, what just happened to my face? Um, uh, oh, you know what I should do more? Yeah, no, you know what I should do more is I should try out this other event type that I have. I have an event type write in, and the whole point of write in is that it there are no action tags. However, you can submit your own action tags, and anyone can submit their own action tags. You can just make up whatever action tag you want and submit it, and they don't like show up on screen or anything because again, editorial control, but they show up on my secret panel, and it's I don't know, it's nice in that way to I should use those a lot more. I should use these a lot more. Um, I should use these a lot more. Maybe that's what I was looking for. Cause like, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, actually, yeah, I think that's one thing that I feel a lot is like I feel like I mean I'm the game master, so I'm supposed to be like leading this this adventure, but I feel like sometimes I feel more like a dictator where it's just like I'm just it's like here's what happens. And so part of the reason I love it when like protospasm, for those of you not in chat, protospasm is like using full sentences for the action tags, and they're not only just full sentences but they're hilarious and just wonderful and just excellent role playing. And yeah, that's because like as of yet that's like basically the only time people actually like participate in the game in a way other than just literally like manipulating the game systems. So yeah, I should just do a lot more write-ins. I think it's probably like pretty key, I think, to the future of this game and how it works. They're also uniquely they're also like uniquely they're unique, like there's no such thing as a prescripted write-in. They're always I mean I could do those if I wanted to, but they're not as fun because like again, there's no outcome. No, yeah, the prescripted ones wouldn't really work because there's no outcome. You can't really predict the outcome of something. Like for a write-in, I need some like weird like text manipulation thing that just wouldn't make sense. Um, um, so yeah, okay. Am I done with like all the stuff that I was working on just then? Or is there something that I forgot to touch up? No, I think I was done. I think. I don't know. We'll find out when it either does or doesn't work the next time I try and use it. Oh yeah, right. Because yeah, I just changed that, and I changed that because I'm pretty sure. Like I was at that point doing that stuff because I was pretty sure with the other stuff that I'd be all set and stuff and whatnot, so on and so forth. Um, huh. So, uh, hmm. Now that this is like neither here nor there, but it's something I think about a lot is the balance of the game, or just the general curve of the game, and not like I used to have a formula that I used to calculate level thresholds, but now, yeah, it was a formula specifically so that I could calculate it in both directions, but I don't calculate it in both directions anymore, which means that it doesn't just because it got to be like a slightly complicated formula, one, one that didn't invert very cleanly or easily. And oh hey, Kiba Kichi, you are in luck because the an event has just transpired. So Trusty Bard is the storyteller of the game. I should really add like this. I should really add a section about this. So sorry, as I explain this to you, I'm also gonna be writing it into my profile because I just really need to. Oh shoot. Well, I'll start writing it, and I'll have to update it later because I'm also gonna be. Oops, don't ignore that. No, what? Doop doop. Pause this. We don't need to be seeing that twice. Yeah, so edit panels. I'm just gonna like temp it in. The annoying thing about this is like, oh wait, no, you can actually drag them around. Oh, that's wonderful. All right, that's really helpful. I thought you had to like, yeah, I didn't realize I could do that. But all right, that's really cool. Sorry, just one second. I'm just spreading this out. Will it go triple file? No, still 2x2. All right. Yeah, because I need an explanation of side quest. So side quest. I mean, actually, I'll probably use the. I'll probably instead use the. Oh, I made a fox gif. I made a tiled fox gif, uh, and it came out horribly. Whoops! Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Cancel. Stop! No, don't do it. Don't do it. Done. Cancel. No, go away. All right. Wait, sorry. We're gonna look at my horrible tiled fox gif real quick. Uh, is this? Oh. Oh, huh. I thought that worked. All right, if everyone is working, I made like a simple fox gif of just like foxes like jumping around and stuff, and then I like made it tiled and like so like it filled up an entire like page, all of that one little gif, and it was nightmarish. It was the worst thing that I've ever done in my life. All right, but no, we don't need that. What is it? C projects. Uh, Oh yeah, this is gonna be show up really small, so I should probably use the logo that's just text, because otherwise, oh well, yeah, you figured it out, Kibikichi, you got it. That is exactly how you play side quest. Um, good job, by the way. Uh, I sorry, yeah, I was slow to explain, but all right, wow, look at that. No, it doesn't like how big it is. I think it doesn't like how big this is. Uh, uh, wait, how do I get it to go all the way to the edge? Are you gonna let me? Whoops, nope, not that. What are you doing? Not that. Go away. Is it gonna let me go all the way to the edge? I hope. No, oh no, my browser isn't wide enough. My browser just isn't wide enough. Oh, there we go. Alright, we got this. We got this, you guys. We got this. We're gonna slide all the way down here. Just bring it all the way down there. It's working. It's working. It's gonna work. We bring it up here, and then we slide it over here. And then we bring the window over here. And then we bring this up here. And then we go up here. It's working, you guys. I don't know if you've ever used this interface where you set up like the image sizes for these panels, but it's not fun. It's like really twitchy. Sorry, it's really like twitchy and like somewhat difficult to use sometimes. A lot of the time. All right. Yeah. So I don't. What was I gonna put here? Yeah, it's gonna be like. It's gonna be like so. Yeah, there's a few things that you need to know about SideQuest. Is what is that thing on the bottom of your screen? SideQuest. I'll do this later, but like you're not the first person to think that, Cubikichi, which is interesting. I guess I consider that like, I don't know, not necessarily successful, because the characters are well, so okay, so the character, your character, as you might notice, is are you're I'm assuming what you're responding to is the fact that your character has like what appears perhaps to be brown hair, like long brown hair. Or maybe you're just responding to the physique. Well, okay, so the characters aren't a specific gender. The characters are there's only one character set, and so for example, oh yeah, so like so this is like roughly what the characters look like to begin with, and oh okay, oh interesting. I never assumed that was the interpretation. Yeah, the those are badges. Huh. Oh, okay, okay. So no, yeah, it was partially the hair thing, right? Okay, so so I can explain some of that because like the for one thing, it's not a badge, and or for one thing, it's not a pin, and for one thing, it's not hair. Which I guess, I mean, like I can say that, but I guess it's a failure on my part of like conveying this through art, because like yeah, it's actually a cap, and it's actually yeah, okay, was all right. I mean, I guess like. I mean, I can say whatever it is, but I can say, oh, it's this other thing. But like, I mean, really, like, what I should be doing is I should be making sure that the game expresses like itself accurately. Um, Yeah, so the gender ambiguity thing, like, I mean, like, I don't want to make two different character sets. I don't want to make like the male version and the female version. So I just made it intentionally a bit androgynous. So like, I don't know. I hope that doesn't offend people, really, because I'm literally just not going to make two different character sets. I'm barely gonna make one character set. All right, so what is uh, SideQuest is a late late adventure adventure game which oh, this is probably below the screen, like you probably can't even see this, but I mean it's not that interesting. I'm just like typing out. You know what? No, I should really just do this later. I keep forgetting that. Well, okay, I'll write a note to myself to set this up, because like yeah, a lot of people are like it's gotten to the point that like I should make it clear what SideQuest is, because SideQuest is, I mean I keep saying like it's pretty close to done, so like if it's close to done I should be able to you know I should make it clear to people what it is, like what is it close to done to. um, So, all right, I'm just gonna quickly write a note to myself so I don't forget. Um, what is it? Oh yeah, so explain side quest uh, in bio, whatever. Sure, good. Oops, I need to specify a recipient. I'm literally emailing myself right now. There we go. All right. I won't get distracted by other things. All right. Good stuff. Good stuff. Good. I'll switch it back to screen cam. Okay. What am I doing now? Oh, I messed up the. Sorry, just one quick thing. Oh no, that's probably fine. Okay. What was I working on before I got distracted by all that stuff? Um, uh, well, yeah. So funny thing, part of the reason, so apart from the fact that I'm not a good artist, and it's taking like a lot of effort just to produce like the art that you see in the game. Like if I had to make more art than what we see in the game right now, I might die. I might just die. Um, but then part of the other reason, like that I went with the limited like without character customization, is that previously it was really difficult to like issue commands because um, I I've done everything in my power to avoid chat from getting like spammed up, because like chat is a really important part of here's one of the later characters. Chat is a really important part of streaming. It's what makes it interactive. It's what differentiates it from like TV, for example. So among other things. So yeah, I really needed to preserve the chat channel, and so uh, I mean, hypothetically, I could add character customization in now if I wanted to, because now there's a See, I read your comment first as I think your artwork looks terrible, and I was like for a second, but no. Thank you very much. I I'm yeah. So I put a lot of effort into trying to get the art as good as it could be for someone who's not like an artist per se. Um, and I don't hate it. That's part of why I agonize over it a lot, is because I know if I don't agonize over it, it's going to be really unimpressive, and I'm not going to feel good about it. But yeah, I could hey Kamiga, how's up? How's up? How's it going? What's up? Um, yeah, no, I could add some character customization in at this point. I mean, the way I've like done the character art. Oh yeah, because of Twitter, right? Because like now that you can link your Twitter account to your Twitch account, you can you could input commands through Twitter, right? And that doesn't spam anyone. Um, but I yeah, so I guess one of the challenges now is that I've built up the character progression in a way that like it doesn't fit cleanly. Like it'd be a difficult fit for to like put in character customization now. I could do like a few things. Like I could do like colorways. Like for different outfits, I could like because it'd be not that difficult to just like color shift some things. So like, I can make it so that like if you don't like having a blue cap, like maybe you can make your cap a different color or something. Um uh uh well, so I'm not going to make this a separate website, but you can log in and tweet right now. Actually, you can do that right now, and you can do it right through this interface. Yeah. So, sorry. Yeah. This is the other thing so the other reason I wanted to make the section of so here first I'll link to Trusty Bard. Oh, is Firefox really crashed right now? You are not fun. Go to away places. Has anyone noticed that in Windows 8, like Task Manager stops responding sometimes? I don't know what that's about, but it's not. It doesn't bode well. Uh, all right, wait, hold on. Firefox. Yeah, the So here's Trusty Bard on Twitter. I'll link to this first. Oops, I said I will link to this first. Copy. There we go. And then yeah. So to link your accounts, to link your Twitch and your Twitter accounts, the Twitter command is, hey, we got a new follower. Sorry, just 1 second. I'm just gonna put these into chat real quick. The Twitter command is that, and then the Twitch command. You have to input both of the commands in both of the corresponding platforms because yeah, that's how it works. Oh, I completely missed the new follower message. Sorry, I'm gonna switch over to Facecam for a second. Doop-a-doop, because if I go over this way, I can check my follower notifications. Doop-a-doop. Kiwakichi, welcome. Thank you very much for following. I appreciate your viewership, and welcome to the stream. So, sorry, those things, oh wait, no, I don't mean to close that. Yeah, I missed the follower notification, but, alright, oh yeah, so, yeah, so for the Twitter command, right, so the Twitter handle, yeah, so the Twitter command you literally have to do through Twitter, and because the way it works is it points them at each other. It's like so like from Twitch you say my Twitter handle is blah blah blah, and then through Twitter you say my Twitch name is blah blah blah, and then because that's just like a verification method, because like otherwise like I don't know, it wasn't like a huge deal if you could link without verification, but like there are ways that you could like troll other players if you like linked to their account and you know puppeted their character. Yeah, so yeah, so I did put in the two-step verification. So yeah, in order to verify. Oh, and congratulations on leveling up, Kibikichi. Oh, and Z-Mike. Congratulations to both of you. So yeah, here's a wait here. I'll it's like an example of the linking, whatever. Where's me? Oh, I must have deleted it. Oh yeah. Wait. Oh yeah, here it is. No wait. Where is it? I know I issued the link command at least once. I guess it was a while ago. I'm not seeing it in here. But like, all right. So here's an example of someone else's. Oh yeah. Okay. Here's an example of protospasms. Um, sorry. I hope you don't mind. I'm just gonna use this as an example of yeah. So that's like yeah. That's what that's about. Okay. What was I working on? Am I working on anything anymore? Am I just like floating in space? Oh yeah, and once the accounts are successfully linked, yeah, for example, so for Protospasm, for example, you'll get a once the link occurs, you'll get a confirmation tweet, and then yeah. And then, right, so the game plays on Twitter the exact same way it plays here. Is like, you know, you can if you like actually it's literally the exact same events that you see. Trusty Bard is like, you know, it says the stuff, and then you can like, and so yeah, so as an example of participation, like, wait, where's one? Oh yeah, no one was playing along for these, but like for this one, for example, oh no, hasn't been a busy day on Twitter. Uh, yeah, here we go. So, for example, like you see with this one, you can reply using the action tag, and yay! Why not? Okay. Yeah, no, what am I doing now? What am I, do I have more? Yeah, actually, oh, should I be testing something? Should I be, like, restarting the script to test if something works? Yeah, actually, I guess I should probably restart the script just because I made some changes to, like, the event system, which I'm pretty sure are complete, but I didn't Yes, yes, Kibukichi, that is correct. And once you tweet the Twitter command, then Trusty Bard will tweet back at you too. So he'll confirm that it works when it works. Um, and what Yeah, all right. So I'm going to give the script a minute or two to cool down, so that when I bring it back up, it will be in working order. And in the meantime, I'm going to look at my backlog, as I'm wont to do. So event chains. Oh yeah, I mean I should probably test that event chains work, right? So yeah, actually yeah, I'll test that. I'll test that straight up. So projects. I'm just gonna I'm just gonna use it like I'm just gonna. Oh, I'll test a few. Ooh, huh. Um. ho- um. Hmm. Yeah, I was just thinking. How to test the exclusions thing. I guess. Oh no, I know what to do. I'll just right. So I'll put in a line to. So we're putting together the event starter, because we want the list that excludes the non-starters. Um, and when we put that list together, I was like, how do we test that that worked correctly? And I'm just gonna print it. Print events starter. And so for just for testing sake, I'm going to say like so like with our events, binary. Let's say oh oh. I just realized something is that once there are multiple authors, like the events won't be. Ooh, yeah. Once there are multiple authors, the events won't be unique by name anymore. Like two authors could have an event called curse hypothetically. So in order to avoid collisions, I'm actually going to make the names of these events, like the names as I treat these events, is actually going to be it's actually going to be li, which is the author's name, plus slash plus that, and I'll also do that when setting up uh, the chains, because the chains will be referring to the the author's own events. Like there's no chaining between authors. I mean, I could actually no. You can chain between. No, no, no. Huh. I could do that later. I could add that later, if I feel like it. I don't know that I necessarily want to. All right. So save that, and then good. All right. So right. So I'm gonna say uh, so yeah. I'm gonna say mirror universe. Uh, mirror universe is I actually didn't choose like what this command is exactly. I just left it as like basically any text that happens over here is is uh, did it did it work? Sorry, I was just checking to see if wait, that tweet came in. Oh, the script isn't up right now. Right, the script isn't up right now, but as soon as I rerun the script, it should verify your account, Kibikichi. Everything seems to be in order. It just the script isn't running right now. Sorry, I was like, why didn't that work? Okay, so uh, I'll just call this non-starter or whatever. That's fine. It can be literally any word that goes there. Okay, so that's non-starter, and then curse. I'm gonna go to curse and say I'm gonna say this is what did I call it? Mirror universe. So apparently the curse is that you go to a mirror universe. Uh, so, and it's any of these cases. Save that. Alright, so now I'm just going to cheat the script to cur-ev. Yeah, I'm just going to cheat it that oh wait, is it actually satisfactory? Yeah, cur-ev equals, oh yeah, so cur-ev equals events binary curse. I'm just gonna comment that out. I think this should work. And if it doesn't, I'll be surprised. Okay, so I run the script. Oh, unexpected indent. What? What? Oh, right, okay. Yay! What? 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 What did this used to say? Um, uh, I don't, I don't see how what I changed could have done this. I don't know what to do with this. Hold on, wait, this is cur event. So if this is type 5, in type 5, if the length of action dictionary equals 1, I feel like I must have accidentally deleted a bunch from here. No, this is, what? No, I think I must have accidentally deleted a bunch of this. No. Oh. No, this was just broken. That was just a bug that I never noticed until I changed it. So I guess it's a good thing I changed it because it was only awarding. Yeah, curve type 5 was broken. In the case of single participation, it was broken. Whoops. Uh, whoops. Okay, so now it's fixed. Good. What? I forgot a colon. What's new? Save that. That's only one forgotten colon though today. Oh, alright. We're getting there. Getting there, you guys. Outline is not defined. What? Oh, out underscore line. We're almost there. Am I right? Yeah, look at that. Alright, so, yeah, link successful, Kibakichi, Mr. Kiba. So now, yeah, alright, so it was just because I hadn't run the script yet, but now I've run the script, and, oh, it might not have actually tweeted it yet, but it should tweet it in the very near future. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. Yeah! Yeah! Fantastico. Uh, cool. Yeah, it's, I just implemented that system very recently, just this week. So I'm still like, is it working? Is it like, but it seems to be working for the most part. All right, so now to test the event system, I'm gonna activate away mode because that will make it so that the curse besets us very soon. And I hope you won't hold it against me, but if you guys accidentally succeed at this event, I'm going to, whoops, I did not mean to show that. If you guys accidentally succeed, oh, we don't have to worry about that because the script just crashed. I was going to say if you accidentally succeed, I'm going to sabotage it for you, but key error blank. Oh, right. Oh, yeah. So that cur-ev thing actually doesn't actually need to do... That cur-ev thing, that place where we declare cur-ev actually is meaningless. This doesn't actually do anything. Not anymore. Oh. Yeah. No, what we actually need to do is not declare the event, but just next dev name. Yeah, that's all we need to do. So we don't have to declare cur-ev. We just need to say all right, so cut this, and then so yeah, next dev name equals for now it's going to equal bin recurse just for testing purposes, and then after that instead it should be this other thing instead. Why does that end with a quotation mark? Event starter index. Wow, that was really poorly written. Whatever. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, good. Save that. I'll restart the script in just a moment. So, yeah, I'm going to sabotage the event for you guys because I want to test the chaining. Because if I sabotage the event, yeah, because like right now. Oh, actually, no, you know what I could do is, just for no particular reason, oh yeah, actually, so I'll make it so that I'll just, yeah, no, I don't have to sabotage the event, because I'll say, you get the mirror universe, so the somber sky breaks, letting through radiant beams of warm sun. So I'll make this something nice. It'll be like meadow. So if you break the curse, you get the meadow. If you don't break the curse, then you go to the mirror universe. So, all right, now I don't have to manipulate the outcome. Either outcome will be valid for testing purposes. And so, oh yeah, so I made it so that maybe I'll make it so that meadow can't come up naturally either, just because that way we can kind of test both ways. Because like yeah. Because like hypothetically, even if the chaining failed, you could still get meadow randomly. So I'll just call this also non-starter. Just for now. I can always like undo that. All right, so meadow and mirror universe are now non-starters. Cool. So, oh yeah, actually I can check that though, because we should have gotten the print of non-starter list. Yeah, so binary arson, binary betrayal. So this list shouldn't include mirror universe. It's kind of a long list. Copy that. So this should include, yeah, so it has malady, meadow, but it doesn't have mirror universe. So that should be good. Yes. Yes, sir. Cool. And now it shouldn't have meadow either, because I like to think of every day as a lesson in making games, Kiwakichi. But if you have questions, I very much invite them and welcome them, because I wanted this to be educational. So let me know what you find interesting. I just talk about like dumb random stuff, or I talk about whatever comes to mind. But yeah, I very much like questions, because it's an opportunity to talk about what people actually find interesting instead of just trying to guess at what people find interesting. So please do feel free to fire away. I also try and keep the stream entertaining as well. I try and like bridge that gap. So like, you know, the idea is that like you could watch this and have fun, and incidentally, when you're done, at the end of the day, like, you know a little bit more about game development, I guess. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah, I stream a lot too, so I hope to see you. I hope to see you again sometime. I really like streaming. It's the sort of thing that like I wish it was around when I was learning how to do all this stuff. So I really want it to. It seems to be catching on. It seems to be doing really well. So that's exciting for me personally, and I think it's exciting for a lot of people too. I think it's exciting for the world, and a lot of people are realizing that. I probably sound like a blowhard when I talk about streaming. I don't know. It's literally I'm literally a nerd about it. All right. What? Yeah, that's probably long enough. The script has probably been down long enough that I can bring it back up, and it's going to crash or whatever. What? Outline is not defined. Oh, again, out underscore line. Derp dorp. Derple dorps. How did that one not get caught last time? Oh, because there. Yeah, right. Because there hadn't been a chain on event. Whoops, that was quick. Cur ev is not defined. Yes, that's true. All right, I can't remove cur ev entirely. I have to I have to just not. I just don't have to initialize it. Right. um. Yes. That is good. That is the way it should be. Oh, so where am I going? Uh. All right. Where is this business? It was. This is like one of the first blocks that I wrote. The Kurev block or the event block. It's old school. So Kurev equals event. Yes. Oh, event with a capital E, I think. Save that. Okay. So that, whatever. I'm just gonna run it anyways. I think that might not have sufficient. That might have initialized IRC, and so it might not be legit to run the script. It might not like add literally all the players correctly, but I'm just gonna give it a shot, see if it works. Hope it works. Yeah, I've been like shouting about game dev streaming as loud as I can. I was so excited. I started streaming before the game dev channel existed, and it was so bad back then. Like no one knew what no one knew like there were people out there trying to stream, and there were people out there trying to find streams, but like they just couldn't find each other, or like you could, but you had to look really hard, and like you had to know it existed, and like know all these like secret like arcane like hideaways that you had to like. It was literally like, I feel like it was like probably how people felt in like Prohibition era, like trying to find like a bar. Yay, it's curse. So that worked, but that's not really what I was testing. um, and then no, yeah. So then like after I'd been streaming for like, I don't know, like a little over a month, they finally added in the channel, and ever since then it's just been wonderful. Like it used to be the case that like at any given time there were like maybe several dozen people watching game dev streams, and now there are like hundreds of people like all the time, and it's just exciting because that was just several months ago. Just imagine, just think of what the future holds. uh, yeah. uh, I don't know if I like the sky. I don't know if I like the sky visual. I don't know if it really does what I wanted it to do. I think it just like takes up space. Like it's like maybe it should just be lower. Like maybe it should just be really low. Like there could be a sky, but like it only shows up in like emergencies or something. I just don't want it to. Well, actually, what if it's at like, yeah, that's probably good. Maybe. I don't know. I just like it felt like I like it. I like that the background can come up higher than the sky, uh, and so I basically like the position. I don't know if this is exactly right necessarily, but sorry, I'm gonna just move OBS around a little more to try and get a better view. Like I just yeah, maybe even slightly lower than this. I just want it to look like kind of like because the action tags, I kind of want it to rest at that like height, like so that the action tags are kind of like, I don't know, so it doesn't look like weird in like the height of those things in relation to each other. Um, yeah, I like the sky. It's just not perfect yet. Like there's something about the sky, having the sky there, that I like, but so far I've just done a lot of like flawed attempts at adding that in. Hey, Somber sky breaks. Perfect. So we should be going to the meadow now if chaining works. Uh, you guys are really good at this game. Uh, uh, all right, yeah. Oh, part of the reason the sky looks weird is because I have this. What is it? It's like. Where's the? I have like without the sky. There's like this gray fade. Sorry, I'm just gonna hide side quest graphics for a second. I have this. I put this like gray fade behind me, like this. I don't know, because I thought it looks cleaner like having it than not having it. But now that I'm trying to put the sky in there as well, it like I don't know, it looks a little weird together. Oh, sorry, I'll put Journey's graphics back on. Hey, Kiwikichi, congratulations on your level up. Well done. um, all right. So, sorry. I I think that my favorite thing of everything I've done in this game, I think my all-time favorite thing is the head turtle. I think I just really like. I think it's just quite top notch. Wait, oh no. Oh, I forgot. Yep, all right, I know exactly what I forgot. I when I was setting the when I was loading in the data, I added the name right because it's not Meadow anymore. It's Binary/Meadow, and I only added the name to the case specific chains. I didn't add it to the neutral outcome chain. So yeah, right. So I remembered to put in this li plus slash thing, but I remember to put it there. I just forgot to put it here, which is great because I made two mistakes in both of these things, and awesome. I forgot the underscore in outline here. I forgot the underscore in outline here. I remembered to put this here. I just didn't remember it. Yeah. All right. I. All right. Sorry. I'm just gonna do the same. Well, so no, it crashed on Meadow. It crashed processing Meadow. I just want to see it work. So sorry. This time I'm probably gonna sabotage it. I don't know. Maybe I'll sabotage it. Maybe I won't. We'll see. I probably didn't give it enough time to restart, so it might not add all players to the character. It might not add all players to the game. But fun fact about like not adding all players to the game correctly is that even if I ever start it too soon and it doesn't add all the players to the game correctly, you can still join manually. You can still join the game by participating in an event or saying something in chat. It's just the only thing that doesn't work in that case is that it doesn't automatically pick up all that information. Yeah. So that's what that's about. Yeah, you can't really see the sky in the forest, but that's fine. I mean, that kind of makes sense, right? Like, a lot of times when you're in a forest, like, when you look up, what you see is the trees. You don't really see the sky. Not all the time, but, like, you know. You know. Yeah, I think this is good, actually. I think I like this guy like this. Uh, where is that? Oh, camera GURD. GURD is that. Hold on, sorry. I'm not actually turning off Journey. Yeah, this GRD thing. Oh, gradient. Yeah. I need to come up with like a new something for that because it looks weird now. It looks weird against the sky. Uh, all right. Sorry. I won't. I'll stop. I'll stop poking at that right now, and then we'll turn Journey's graphics back on. Um, okay, so oh, I forgot to activate. Yeah, there we go. I was like, why is it taking so long? um, yeah. So people. Oh, so technically. So fun fact. Yeah, Kiba. Is it okay if I call you Kiba? Or like Mr. Kiba? The technically everyone in the channel is in the everyone in the channel is in the game at all times, but you'll notice some people have name tags and some people don't have name tags. originally like everyone had name tags, but I made it so that your name tag doesn't actually show up until Kiba. Okay, cool, thank you. um, your name tag doesn't actually show up until you speak up, because the way it was before, like I don't know, like have you ever dropped into a channel and like someone like calls you out by name and it's like whoa, it's like I just got here, like what are you? What? I don't know. For some reason, like that irks me sometimes when like I drop into a stream and I'm just there to check it out, and like all of a sudden I get called out, and it's like I don't know. That for me, that's just like a slightly uncomfortable feeling. So I wanted to get rid of that. So I made it. Yeah. So technically, you don't have to say anything in order to join the game. Uh, although, uh, yeah, your name tag doesn't show up until you do. And so like in order to see like your experience, in order to see stuff like that, you actually have to participate in events. But like technically, you can play like even without technically, you can go along for the ride even without, even if you stay quiet the whole time. Technically, yeah. All right. Is there what's what's next on the agenda? Like, what's the next thing? What's the next big thing? Like, what if this all works correctly? Then what's up? I mean, I guess the event hopper would probably be a good way to go. I mean, the other thing I could do is I could start having fun with like event chains, and I could start actually I mean, I wasn't planning on chaining the events together, but like when it occurred to me that I could like, imply that the curse and the mirror universe and like the meadow and like all that stuff, like I actually might go back into the events that I have. Like I mean, because I'd say all of the events that I have right now are probably fine starters, right? But like, uh, I might go in and maybe not. Maybe I'll take like mirror universe is a weird one. So like I don't know. I kind of like that you're just walking along and all of a sudden you're in a mirror universe. But I I don't know. Like I might actually have fun with that. Like some of them are more obscure. Like the curse one maybe. Like yeah, actually maybe like the curse one was always like it's really obscure. Oh, and Doomsday. Doomsday comes up a lot. It feels like, or just it comes up in regular rotation, and it's really hard. So maybe I'll make it so that like you only like Doomsday only ever comes up if you've yeah the ones that are like yeah I kind of like that because there's like the ones that are like treasure. Like I can make treasure a non-starter, and the only time you actually get the treasure is if you the only time you actually get the treasure event is if you succeed at one of the other events, and like maybe the only time you get the curse or the doomsday event is if you fail at some of the other events or something. Like I don't know. I like this. I think this is a good new dimension because yeah, like events previously only meant as much as like what the event itself represented. Like it never like they never there was nothing like beyond the event. So yeah, cool. And so I do want to do the event hopper and uh yeah, oh, so the other thing that the event hopper implies, like I was talking about before, is I was thinking the event hopper would oh yeah, yeah. So right now, like yeah, so these circles represent events that get sent to Twitter, and so I want to set up. So I'll probably want to set up special tech. Well, yeah. So there's going to be a whole separate timer system that goes into using the hopper, and because actually I think the hopper is going to count minutes or something along those lines because like I was saying, I want them to be spaced out. I want like the events in the hopper to be spaced out every like 2 hours or so. I mean, I might maybe it's something I initiate manually. Yeah, and then I guess I'd actually. I mean, at that point, I wouldn't actually even need tech for it. I could just like copy and paste it manually. But I don't know. Um, I'll probably make tech for it anyways. I like. No, I probably will do some measure of like automated. I don't know. That's a good question. Like I said, I just came up with a lot of this stuff this afternoon when I got like when I was feeling a slight lull. So I I'm not 100% on how much of this I or like exactly what will be all the details of this. So some of it I'll figure out as I go along. Oh, good. Yay! Time began to wind backwards, and now the universe is completely inverted. Yay! Good job. All right. Well, I will help contact an oracle because we should probably get out of here. Get out of this mirror universe. um, Yeah, good job, Lauren. Perfect. Yeah. All right. What's up? What is happening? What is happening in the world and in here in the world and in the hearts and the minds of men? No, I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about. Um, I So I'm gonna call event chains okay because it was a relatively simple system. It wasn't that crazy. I'm gonna call saving live events okay too because like the one that we did worked. So yeah. So I think next up is the event hopper. Organizing events and environments that doesn't actually feel as important to me anymore. Now that we have this to play with, like I think like maybe I'll want to do something like that at some point, but actually maybe once I maybe if I link together like a lot of these quests, like or a lot of these events, like maybe then it'll make more sense like where these events come from. Uh, and like yeah, like it might be easier. Like if I mean hypothetically, if there's only like if there are 100 events, but only like 15 of them are starters, right? Then that would be a lot easier to put in put with different environments, right? Like 3 starters per environment. There you go, bada boom. Um, so yeah, I think this has a lot of potential. I think this is I think this will be better than yeah, no, I like this. I think yay, we did it. Perfect. We did it. Uh okay, so yes. I'm I'm winding down. I've been streaming for 9.5 hours at this point, so or not quite 9.5 hours, like a little more than 9 hours, like 9.25 hours. I think I'm gonna start wrapping it up. So the last thing I will do, the final order of business, as it tends to be, I'm going to find another cool streamer. I'm kind of find another cool dev streamer, and we can keep this party going. Uh, I I My favorite thing to do when I'm not streaming is to watch other streamers. So I'm sure we can find another cool one that we will all enjoy. Specifically, I mean, it's not really like I was saying before. Like it's like getting a lot easier to find dev streams and like cool dev streamers and stuff. But I I still try and when I can, I try and find dev streamers who I just try and like I spend a lot of time watching other dev streamers, and I have very specific ideas about what I think are like constitute like a good dev stream. And so wow, there's actually not that many people online right now, but there are at least some people. So oh, it's still in away mode, so it's spitting out events like oh whoa, we got curse again. Was that just a coincidence or hold on, let me look into that. It might just be a coincidence, right? It might just be random chance, but uh sorry, I'm trying to do too many things at the same time now. um okay. Yeah, what wait, so the part where the system chooses a new event at random, what is happening there? Am I using like the wrong variable or something? Oh, sorry. I'll switch back to screen cam because why not? Wow. Are you streaming tonight, Lauren? Because I'm not 100% thrilled with like the people who are right now. No, I will find I will find a streamer in just a second. All right, yeah. No, where's the part where we choose the next outcome? Uh, Curve. It's right at the very end, right? It's right before. Oh, I'm still using next dev I. No, okay. I'm using next dev I, but I am updating next dev name. Next dev name is correct, right? This is what we use to set the event, right? when we're initializing the event. Is it? I think so. Yeah. Cur ev equals events next ev name. So yeah, I mean it's entirely possible that it just came up randomly. It's entirely possible. It's a little weird, but I mean that's another reason that I'm kind of excited to move away from the random system because like the randoms like pure randomness comes up with like weird stuff like that sometimes. So uh all right. Yeah, so I'm not going to be concerned about that. I'm not going to be worried about that. I'm going to assume that's good. All good. Oh, but I will take out this cheat. Right, because it's supposed to be event starter index random blah blah blah. Which is I think the same thing that we're doing in both cases, right? Oh, except in the other case we're doing the loop too. Right. Yeah, we're doing like the next of I random ints while not equals. Oh, yes. No, that's fine. Yes, no, this is correct. Okay, right, right. Yes, good. This is fine. Event starter next of I next ev name. Okay, cur ev name. Yeah, right. Because it doesn't check. It only checks the most recent event. Like if it felt like it, I could make like cur ev name, or I could instead of checking just cur ev name, I could check like a list of like the past 5 events. So like the past So it would it'd have to go through a longer cycle before it looped back to the same one again. But I don't really feel like doing it right now. Hey Matt, congratulations on leveling up. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna call this done. I'm gonna go back to trying to find a good dev streamer, and we'll kick it over in that direction. Doop doop. Let's see, who did I just look up? Sure. This guy's usually good, so this one's probably gonna work out. Probably, please, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, this is good. Yay! All right. So thank you for everyone. Thank you to everyone for tuning in. Thank you for everyone for who followed. If you hadn't found it yet, the follow button is down in the corner there. But you probably know how that works. I plan on streaming tomorrow. There's just the outside chance that I might not, but no, I usually stream for at least a little bit. I streamed a lot this week, but maybe I'll set a new record. And yeah, otherwise I stream a lot during the weekdays, so I think I don't know. I feel like I might keep the weekday schedule for now. I'm still figuring it out. Whatever. We'll see. But I'm on a lot is the point. So I hope to see you all again in the near future. And until next time, have a wonderful whatever time of day it is where you are. And bye. Bye, guys. Bye. 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 All right. All right, now I'm going to do I'm going to input the command to kick over to another channel. And blammo. So if you're watching this on mobile and I haven't stopped streaming yet, that's awkward. How's it going? Blah, blah, blah. Bye.